Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for other adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the control account, definition and related explanation. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin with the lesson material. What is control account? A control account is a general ledger account that summarizes the total balances of a related subsidiary ledger, which contains detailed individual transactions. It acts as a control mechanism, ensuring that the sum of individual balances in the subsidiary ledger matches the balance in the control account. This helps to detect errors and maintain accuracy in financial records. Let's check some related explanations. Control accounts are crucial in accounting for managing large volumes of transactions, particularly in businesses with extensive operations. By summarizing numerous individual transactions into one control account, the accountant can easily track the total balance, without needing to examine each transaction separately. This makes the accounting process more efficient, and provides a quick reference to the overall balance of accounts receivable, accounts payable, and other similar accounts. Let's check its types. The first one type is Sales Ledger Control Account, SLCA. This account summarizes the total balances of all individual customer accounts from the sales ledger. The SLCA represents the total amount owed by all customers or debtors at any given time. Let's check another type. The second type is Purchases Ledger Control Account, PLCA. This account summarizes the total balances of all individual supplier accounts from the purchases ledger. The PLCA shows the total amount owed to all suppliers or creditors at any given time. Let's check some practical examples. The first example is associated with the Sales Ledger Control Account. Imagine a company, ABC Limited, sells products on credit to various customers. The company records each transaction in the individual customer accounts within the sales ledger. For the month of August, the following credit sales transactions were recorded. Customer A, $1,000. Customer B, $500. Customer C, $1,200. At the end of the month, these amounts are summed up in the Sales Ledger Control Account in the General Ledger. Let's check out the solution. In this slide, we will check the solution for Sales Ledger Control Account. We have an opening balance of $5,000, add credit sales during August, $2,700. The total would be $7,700. Then, less receipts from customers, $2,000. Finally, we'll get a closing balance, $5,700. This closing balance of $5,700 in the SLCA should match the sum of the individual customer balances in the sales ledger. If it doesn't, it indicates a potential error that needs to be investigated. The second example is associated with the Purchase Ledger Control Account. Similarly, ABC Limited purchases goods on credit from various suppliers. The company records each transaction in the individual supplier accounts within the purchases ledger. For the month of August, the following credit purchases were recorded. Supplier X, $800. Supplier Y, $1,000. Supplier Z, $1,500. At the end of the month, these amounts are totaled in the Purchases Ledger Control Account in the General Ledger. Let's check out the solution. In this slide, we will check the solution for Purchase Ledger Control Account. We have an opening balance of $3,000, add credit purchases during August, $3,300. The total would be $6,300. Then, less payments to suppliers, $2,500. Finally, we'll get a closing balance, $3,800. The closing balance of $3,800 in the PLCA should equal the sum of the individual supplier balances in the purchases ledger. Discrepancies between these amounts would need to be investigated. Initially, the both examples are very simple and demonstrated to develop the understanding for the sales and purchase ledger control accounts working methodologies. During further explanation, we'll examine the complex examples too as per your paper pattern. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the control account and related definition and explanation, as per your syllabus and examination point of view. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. We will discuss the control account, importance, principle, and related explanation in the upcoming video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.